Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
Switchgear is a general term covering switching devices and their combination with associated control, measuring, protective and regulating equipment. The term covers assemblies of such devices and equipment with associated interconnections, accessories, enclosures and support. The equipment should first be inspected visually and for correct mechanical operation as follows. Inspect for physical damage and compare nameplate details with platform design document requirements. Make sure that the switchgear cubicle has been correctly installed and adequately anchored to the switch room floor to withstand shock loadings imposed by operation of circuit breakers. In an electric power system, switchgear is the combination of electrical disconnect switches, fuses or circuit breakers used to control, protect and isolate electrical equipment. Switchgear is used both to energize equipment to allow work to be done and to clear faults downstream. Medium voltage switchgear provides centralized control and protection of medium voltage power equipment and circuits in industrial, commercial, and utility installations involving generators, motors, feeder circuits, and transmission and distribution lines. Refer to the manufacturer's manuals and perform all the mechanical operator and contact alignment tests on both the circuit breaker and its operating and interlocking mechanisms in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Check that the operation of all safety shutters is satisfactory by removing circuit breaker trucks and physically checking that shutters are free to check that main contacts, secondary contacts, auxiliary switches and earthing contacts are correctly fitted and aligned. Electrical tests will need to be carried out as follows. Measure the resistance between pairs of contacts. This should be within the range given in the manufacturer's manual and not more than 500 ohm if excessive contact heating is to be avoided. Perform a voltage pickup test on the tripping and closing coils. Trip the circuit breaker several times by operating each protective device in turn. Measure the primary insulation resistance. Perform insulation resistance tests at 500 VDC, using a mega or similar instrument, on all control wiring. Circuits containing semiconductor devices, such as solid-state protection relays, should not be tested. The above-mentioned test should be performed both before and after a high-voltage DC test. The first application will determine if the insulation resistance is high enough for acceptance and whether the high-voltage test may be performed. The second test will verify that the application of the overpotential test voltage has not shown up any weakness in the insulation. In each case, the test voltage should be applied for 1 minute.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.